In 2016, 14% of the solid waste produced worldwide was produced by tourists. It was mentioned as the biggest source of it according to the case study. This is why we choose to set and focus on the United States, France, and Spain, which are the most visited countries in the world.
The first of our proposals is to further implement what are commonly known as seaweed plastics, which are water-soluble and biodegradable plastic analog alternatives that come from renewable and sustainable sources. Even more mesmerizing is the fact that the product is completely safe for human consumption. Seaweeds can grow very fast, at rates more than 30 times those of land-based plants, and by drawing carbon dioxide out of the ocean waters, they help fight climate change. Seaweed culture, with high potential in the worldwide market, controlled seaweed cultivation at sea is more sustainable, stable, and productive, giving a better quality than the wild harvesting of algae. This growth can eventually mean lower costs and high production capabilities.
We suggest, first of all, a change in the packaging format, where we propose a slight adjustment to the tubes, making the contents of the tube more readily available and incentivizing the use of the product until it is completely empty. The change is minimal, and combined with the redesign of the graphics, a campaign can be launched to make people more aware of the benefits of rolling tubes instead of squeezing them. A more radical alternative we would like to experiment with is using the aforementioned seaweed plastic to design a capsule packaging to contain the toothpaste that leaves no solid waste after its use and push it into the traveler market as an alternative to buying an entire tube and disposing of it when the days away from home come to an end. This will provide a pilot trial from which the success of the initiative can be measured and analyzed for further research and expansion.
Continue making campaigns and support local programs or ideas amongst people to promote green initiatives while spreading the word that saving the earth is a task that everyone must contribute to in order for it to work. Search for the strongest initiative to join forces and help improve local economies.
This project aims to be working on the company's sustainability targets for 2030. Here are some of the company goals. Goal number 1. Reduce the use of virgin plastic in packaging by 50%. Goal number 2. Committed to achieving 100% recyclable or reusable packaging by 2030. And goal number 3. Propose solutions so that no container reaches the ocean. As a team, we firmly believe that our proposals will help to make serious advancement in our Vision 2030.
The these goals are achieved, the less damage caused to the environment, and the easier it gets to begin working on other projects that keep improving the processes that the company has committed to improve over the next couple of years towards Ambition 2030.
A more thankful customer base will begin seeing the professional focus of our LB brand, and the exposure that this gives the brand will encourage populations to partner highly of the brand with choosing toothpaste at the retailer of their preference.
To ensure that our project was successful, we plan on analyzing different sectors of interest to the company. From a sustainability perspective, the percentage of recyclable materials used overall in the company will have increased and gotten closer to the desired 100%. From an economic standpoint, profits or losses will be tracked on the affected products to ensure a secure and stable growth of value and market share. Finally, for the quality perspective sector, customer satisfaction will be measured, with follow-up surveys and new input will be used for further product development.